Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful smoky eye with a sunset effect. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then continue watching. So I did my brows off camera, and now I'm using the e.l.f. eyelid primer, and I'm just gonna put that all around my eyelid. And I'm taking that concealer brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to blend everything in. So I'm using the Festival palette, and I'm going in with that lighter shade or medium light shade of orange, and I'm going to use that as my base and as my transitioning shade. Going back in with that same Festival palette, and I'm going in with a darker shade of orange, and I'm going to apply that just underneath the brighter orange. And now I'm using the Warrior palette to create that sunset effect. I'm going to be using that dark brown, and I'm just going to apply that right above my cut crease. Now I'm going in with a dark, or should I say black, eyeliner or eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to use that to create that smoky eye effect, and I'm just putting that around my eyelid. And now I'm using Miss Rose palette, and I'm taking that dark shade and I'm going to apply that just on top of that black eyeliner. And the reason I was doing that is to make it look more pigmented. It looks more pigmented when you have a darker base than just putting the black eyeshadow. And now my favorite part, which is blending, ladies. Now the most important thing when you're creating a smoky eye is blending. I did not want to cut any part of this video because I wanted you guys to see how everything came together using the power of blending. Two years later, and I'm still blending, guys. I am still blending. I was almost giving up, but look at me getting all excited at how everything is coming together. So the secret to a beautiful smoky eye is blending. Using Voluminous by L'Oreal Paris liquid eyeliner to create that beautiful wing. And then I'm going in with some mascara so that my falsies get a better grip. Using those Color Matte lashes and some Duo lash glue to stick those lashes on. So now I'm just blending my falsies and my real lashes together with some mascara, and I'm using the black eye pencil for my waterline, And going back in with my Festival palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use that orange to kind of brighten up my under eyes. So I already primed my face, and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 370, and I'm just going to apply that all around my face. I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible concealer, and I'm mixing those two shades together so that my face is not so bright. So I'm just going to use that to conceal my whole entire face. Now I'm just going to use a beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend everything together. And now I'm just going in with Hard Candy loose finishing powder, and I'm going to use that to bake my face. And now I'm going in with L'Oreal Paris True Match powder in the shade C10, and I'm going to use that to contour the rest of my face. I'm now going in with Maybelline New York Fit Me powder, and I'm going to use that to dust off the excess powder that my face definitely doesn't need. I'm now going in with Mary Kay blush, and I'm going to use that for my cheekbones to create that beautiful blush effect. For my lips, I'm going to be using Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink in their shade 85 Protector, and I'm going to be using that for my lips. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using the Warrior palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with that bronze gold shade, and I'm going to use that as my highlighter. Last but not least, I'm using Master Fix setting spray, and I'm going to use that to lock all this makeup in. Put on some accessories. I created some baby hairs off camera, and this is how the whole look turned out, you guys. I was really happy with the look. It's really easy to achieve, so if you guys want to try it, go right ahead and just follow the few easy steps. But thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave me a comment. Until next time, it is goodbye and God bless.